Hello. In this video, we will demonstrate how to automate provisioning and customer onboarding of Imagicle apps for Cisco UC. Imagicle provides the most complete set of must-have enterprise-class UC apps in a single suite. It's easy to use, reliable, scalable, and certified. Imagicle is a Cisco preferred solution partner with apps available on Cisco GPL through Solution Plus program. 20,000 plus customers in 150 countries benefit from the Imagicle application suite, which in a single suite and in a single VM includes Attendant Console with advanced queuing and auto attendant, call recording, fax server, call accounting, and more. Available on-prem and cloud deployment. Kurmi Software provides the next generation administration portal to automate UC deployment and simplify end-user management. Kurmi Solutions enables you to automate customer onboarding and site deployment, improve customer experience and quality of services with error-free UC management, simplify the management of UC platforms and delegate to non-technical administrators, reduce revenue leakage, and cut operational costs. The partnership and integration developed between Imagicle apps and Kurmi Solutions will speed up your UC deployments and delivers required UC apps to match customers' expectations, scale, and margins. This configuration automation by Kurmi Solutions is available for all the main apps provided by Imagicle, from the Attendant Console to the hospitality services. From an architecture perspective, the Kurmi solution is integrated with CUCM using AXL, with the Imagicle directory using LDAP protocol, and with the application suite through the Imagicle API. It's available on the cloud for service providers or on premises for enterprises. Now let's connect to Kurmi and start the deployment of a new customer, Pixley. First, we will create a tenant for our new customer, Pixley. We are now able to execute the cluster initialization scenario. A scenario is like a workflow. It will enable us to fill in the data collection and perform the deployment. We can select the equipment we need to configure for Pixley and complete the requested information to enable Kurmi to connect to those servers. Now, Kurmi is preparing its own configuration to interact with the selected equipment, import all relevant information, and provision technical data such as SIP trunking between CUCM and Imagicle apps. To finalize the deployment, we add a site to the customer. It's done, so we're ready to create users. To do this, we change our level of administration. Here, we have the ability to perform daily management of our users and their services. We can also configure packages. It's like a template or a user profile. It enables the administrator to define which features and services will be available or not when creating an end user. But let's start by creating a new Imagicle fax account. We just have to fill in just a little bit of information, and Kurmi will automatically configure the CUCM and add a new entry in the Imagicle directory. Now, let's create a new end user. Thanks to the exclusive Quick Create feature provided by Kurmi, with only a simple form, we will be able to create our end user in the whole environment, including Cisco servers as CUCM and third-party systems like the Imagicle directory. In accordance with the package selected, we can select the services we want to configure for this new user, including assigning the fax account created previously. If the user is joining the company next week, we can schedule the creation, or, of course, we can proceed immediately. It's done. The end user will automatically receive a welcome email with all the relevant information as their credentials. They can now immediately benefit from all Cisco and Imagicle features. It's not necessary, but just to show you what was automated by Kurmi, we can connect to the Imagicle LDAP module. Here, we can check that an entry was created for the fax, and another one for our end user, including all the configuration necessary regarding the services selected. As you have seen during this demo, and thanks to Kurmi Solutions, the deployment and configuration is automated, including CUCM Day 1 and Day 2 configuration for Imagicle apps. The end user management is now simplified from the single pane of glass portal provided by Kurmi. And finally, the end user benefits of Imagicle apps and get ready to access it through any device. Thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to contact Imagicle or Kurmi Software for a more in-depth presentation or live demo.